Yeah, it sounds like the universe is giving you an invitation for a reframe,
Yeah.
saying, I'm not making, I say this to my daughter who's going to be 4 and she's learning a lot of skills, but she's new here. She's new here on Earth. She's trying stuff
Right.
out. She doesn't know. No, maybe she's like trying to climb a tree. She's like, I can't do it. Consistently say, well, you can't do it yet. Right. You got to put that yet at the end. Like, I'm not making what I want to yet. Right. So that there's this reframe of like, you know what, John, like, I know that you feel stuck, but really the next place is so much closer than and all I'm asking you to do is like keep your heart in a positive place so that when you get there, you're ready, right? You can see when we start getting negative, very quickly, our nervous system starts turning in, right? We go into fight or flight.
Right.
When you are in fight or flight, you have no capacity for creative opportunity, courageousness. Like, you are there to survive. So I feel like that's part of what the universe is trying to tell you. It's like, if you're in this negative place, we're never going to get there because you're not going to see the opportunities I'm putting out there. Like, so
Yeah.
stay positive so that your aperture is a lot wider. Like, literally biologically, our eyes narrow when we are in our nervous system is on
Interesting.
attack.
Yeah. Okay.
So, you're allowed then to have your whole eye span, and then you can say, oh yeah, like that was a tough time, but now I can see this opportunity coming. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. It sounds like the universe is saying, just like stick with it and reframe. Keep reframing. This hasn't happened for me yet. I know good things are coming.
Yeah, when you're positive, you are more open to the universe creating through you. And that's where I've been. Like the last few months, I've actually been writing a book.
I
It's going to be
know.
released soon. It's called The Right to Rebel. Plug right
So
here,
excited.
please buy it.
Yeah.
The Right to Rebel. And it's a framework for rights of how to awaken from a society that really doesn't want you awake and wants to keep you sleeping. And I was in such a good place writing this book. I was feeling the creative flow of the energy coming to me. And as soon as I got done with the book, as soon as I got done, it was like this heaviness and this weight hit me. Like this book's gonna suck. Nobody's gonna like
Mm.
all these bad thoughts and these negativities coming to me. You know what? The universe is like, keep that positive energy, keep going. I gave this book to you for a reason, and it's going to help people. So I'm trying to keep that positivity. Yeah, hopefully once it releases, then we'll see some of the fruits of that.